This video will be on multiplication 5. Today it is very windy. The wind blows all the washing off the line. Now the washing needs to be collected, washed again and hung on the line to dry. Luckily, Dad has a helper today. First of all, they collect the liquid detergent. They also need some pegs and some clothes softener. Next, all the clothes need to be put in the machine. Then the detergent and softener are added and the machine is switched on. When the machine is finished, the clothes can be collected in the basket to hang up on the washing line. Today we are using special pegs shaped like hands. One peg has 5 fingers, so 5 times 1 equals 5. 2 pegs have 10 fingers. 5 times 2 equals 10. 3 pegs have 15 fingers. 5 times 3 equals 15. 4 pegs have 20 fingers. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 pegs have 25 fingers. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now revise your 5 times table. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. And 5 times 5 equals 25. Now none of the clothes can blow away. Finally, fold the clothes and collect them in the basket. Now all the clothes are clean and dry, and we have revised the 5 times tables. Thank you for watching. Remember to keep practicing your times tables.